Welcome to this tutorial, Canvas Course Launch Checklist. You can pause and play as needed. In case you prefer a printed version, we have one available too. Let's get started. This tutorial covers the minimum steps needed to have your course ready on Canvas and welcome your students. If you need extra help, be sure to reach out. These are the actions covered in this course's agenda. We will start by merging course sections. You may need this to not have to publish the same content several times. We will cover how to add teaching assistants too, how to mark your courses as favorite and access them quickly. We will show how to import previous content into your new course, add an updated syllabus, how to review and edit your welcome message, and finally, how to publish your course. Let's take a look at merging sections. Start by opening your browser and navigating to orca.tamu.edu. The first thing to do is to merge your courses. This is an optional action but highly recommended. Be sure to execute the merge before the deadline, which is usually 1 week before classes start. For details, check lms.tamu.edu. Once you have logged in to Orca, from the left menu, click on Request Combined Course. A quick note, only instructors of record have access to merge their courses. A list of your courses should populate on the screen. Courses that have already been merged show in dark gray. Step 1. Check the boxes of the sections you want to merge. If some courses are unavailable, you may not be the IOR, or the courses may not have been created yet on Compass. Step 2. When ready, click the Next button at the bottom of the page. Here you can edit the new name of the merged section. Step 1. Edit the new name of the merged section. We recommend using the short Compass form to denote the term, like 25A for spring 2025, or 25C for fall, etc. Also add the numbers of all sections with a slash or a hyphen if these are consecutive. Finally, click on the Submit button to finalize the merge. Now, let's add your teaching assistants or any other helper that will have access to your course. Please note, anyone that you add to the course will require to pass the FERPA training. Go to the Orca homepage by clicking on the Home link located in the top menu. From the left menu, select Enrollments. Scroll all the way down and to the left to see the Add Enrollment link. Sometimes this link is difficult to see, so make sure to maximize your browser window if you are having trouble. Continue to add the enrollment info. Step 1. Input your TA's UIN number and the rest of the information should automatically populate. Step 2. Select the desired role from the drop-down. Step 3. Click on Search Sections. A window will pop up with the available sections. Step 1. Select the sections you want that TA to have access to. Step 2. Click the Select button on the bottom right corner of the screen. For more information on the differences between roles, check out the LMS hyperlink provided. Let's mark your favorite courses and unmark the ones you don't need so that you can keep them handy and remove clutter from your dashboard. Let's go to Canvas and check your merged course. In your browser, navigate to canvas.tamu.edu. Step 1. On the left menu, click on the Courses button. You might not see your new course there, so for Step 2, scroll all the way down until you see a link that reads, All Courses. In this area, you can select and easily access the courses you want to mark as favorite. Step 1. Use the star icons on each course to mark or unmark courses. Step 2. Depending on how many courses you have taught in Canvas, you may have to scroll down to see the Future Enrollment section. This is most likely where your new courses will be. Let's work on bringing your previous content into your new course. If you are starting from scratch, you can skip this step. If you bring content from a previous course, please check the Copying Canvas Materials Between Courses section on the lms.tamu.edu website. This is an important step since there are two different ways to bring your content. Each has a different effect on the copied content. We will only cover the straightforward course copy method in this tutorial. First, navigate to the course where you want to copy your content. On the course homepage, find the Import Existing Content button located on the right side of the screen. Please check our other tutorials for details if you want to perform an archival process and import a course.imscc backup file. Select Copy a Canvas course from the drop-down menu. Step 1. Look for your course content by typing to see which courses are available for you, and select the course you want to copy from. Step 2. Select if you want to copy all content or if you want to select specific things. Step 3. Click the Import button. It's now time to add an updated syllabus to your course. Let's delete your previous syllabus first. To get to the Files area, click on the Files link in the left menu. Step 1. Use the search bar to find your syllabus, or look through the files. Step 2. Select a file. Step 3. Use the 3-button menu to delete it. Note that you may already have multiple copies of your syllabus, so double-check for those too. Before we upload the syllabus, we will make sure the icon from the home page points in the right direction. Step 1. Navigate to the course homepage by clicking the Home link on the left menu. Step 2. Click the Edit button at the top of the page. Scroll through the content until you reach the icons, which are part of the Student Resources section. Step 1. Click on the syllabus icon, and then the second step is to press the Remove Link button. For the third step, while the image is still selected and it is still showing a blue square, click the Insert menu on the menu bar. The fourth step is to select the link item from the Insert menu, and then click on the course link item. Step 1. The Add window should come up, and from there expand the course navigation accordion. Step 2. Select Syllabus, so that the syllabus icon would point to the syllabus tool. Notice that the syllabus icon will briefly light up right after adding the link. If it does not light up, something is wrong. You would need to restart from the previous step. For Step 3, do not forget to press the Save button. Now we will upload your new syllabus to the course. From the left menu, click on the Syllabus tool. Use an accessible syllabus document. An accessible document includes the necessary components for navigating the contained information. This is particularly useful when people use accessible devices, such as screen readers. You can use a tool in Canvas to check and improve any document. Visit the LMS page for additional information, and you can also take one of our accessibility workshops for making all your documents accessible. Step 1. Click the Edit button on the top right. Step 2. From the next window that appears, open the Insert menu. Step 3. Open the Document submenu. Finally, for Step 4, select Upload Document. Click to upload a file, or just drag a file to send it over to Canvas, and click the Submit button. Step 1. Click on the file name to trigger the menu to open. Step 2. Select Link Options. Step 3. After the right panel slides in, select Preview Inline and check the box for expanding the preview by default. Step 4. Click Done. Step 5. Click Update Syllabus. You can check the accessibility of this document by clicking on the gauge icon. You can even get a report on how to make it better. If the syllabus tool on the left menu has a crossed eye icon, you must enable it on the next step. If it is already enabled, you can skip this step. Step 1. Click on Settings on the left menu. Step 2. Select the Navigation tab at the top of the page. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Syllabus tool, and the fourth step is to enable it using the three-dot menu. For Step 5, don't forget to save. Let's focus on reviewing the welcome page message to customize it for this term. Update your welcome message by following the next steps. Step 1. Navigate to the course homepage by clicking the Home link. Step 2. Click the Edit button at the top of the page. Step 1. Select the text in the welcome. Step 2. Make the edits you need for this new term. Step 3. Save your changes. Finally, let's make the course available for the students so they can see it. If you need to make certain sections of the course unavailable, you can take our Canvas basic training to learn how to do that. This final action is really simple. Step 1. Go to the course home page. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Publish button. Now the course is visible to students. You have now completed the essentials. Remember, if the students submit any assignment to the course, it cannot be unpublished after that. Thank you for taking this tutorial. We hope this has been helpful. For more advanced Canvas features, send us an email to esale@tamu.edu.